Hey everybody, today I am working on a 16 by 20 canvas, and these are the colors that I will be using today. I have a phthalo turquoise, it's in my bottle, that is from the Fine Touch. I also have, the red is Crimson Red, and that's from the Fine Touch. And then the blue that I have is from FolkArt, and it is blue cobalt. And then I have white, a couple bottles of white, and that is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And I'm going to be attempting a reverse ring pour. So I'm going to start on the outside and then work my way to the middle. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Put a generous amount of white in the bottom. And I think I'm going to start with the blue next. Alright, so here we go. Start on the outside. Oh, it's not pouring. Not coming out right. There we go. It's coming down the side of my cup. There we go. That's a little better. Alright, I think I'm going to have to do a second cup. A little bit more red in there. Let's see, I'll just start from here, I think. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna add some air bubbles. I'm gonna pop all those air bubbles I got. Alright, now I'm just gonna tilt it. Okay guys, I'm going for the close-up. This is really awesome. I like all the detail. There's a lot of detail. I'm not sure if I said, but I didn't use any silicone. There was no silicone in any of my colors. I didn't add any alcohol either. Nothing. I got little cells popping up, some cool lacing. The colors blended. That part's really cool. The colors blended awesome. So I am quite happy with this. There's just so much so much detail. And the middle part looks really cool too. That's pretty cool right there. Alright, so hopefully this dries nice and keeps all the nice detail and the nice bright colors. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hi guys, the painting's all dry. I ended up rotating it so it's vertical. I like it this way better. Just personal preference, I guess. But the colors stayed nice and vibrant. It looks really, really cool. I still love this section right here. It almost looks like a seahorse to me. It looks very cool. And I love the lacing, all the lacing. And there's more up here in the red. Very cool. This looks cool too right here. And these colors down in the corner look really nice. I like that a lot. So I am really happy with this painting. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out the links in my description, and have a great day.